I must get closer.
Brightbone, this temple was merely the first to fall. Soon, all of Bastion will burn.
Fire a target.
Brightbone failed. Stitch flesh will be irked to nearly destroy his prize creation. Though I am sure he would gladly take your limbs as repayment.
I need to target something first. I require a target. I do not have a target. I need to target something first.
Face me, Necromancer. Thanatos will be avenged.
Are you so eager to share your underling's fate? Your vaunted courage will be your doom. Your temple lies.
I do not have a target.
Your brethren are butchered. You have already lost.
Vile monster!
Too far away. I require a target.
You will be brought to justice! You dare deny me the sky? Then I shall answer in kind!
Foolish Paragon! There is nothing you can do to stop us. No matter. My minions are endless. The fallen shall serve me again.
I need to target something first.
Your arrival proved timely, yet the battle rages on. We cannot rest until these invaders are purged from our skies.
We have all the corpses we need, Stitch Flesh. Prepare to strike
I am
at
out
the
of range.
temple.
Just a moment longer. It seems that the parts for my new creation have arrived at last.
I do not have a target. I require a target. I need to target something first.
Come, my assistant. These raw materials are in need of processing.
I cannot attack that target. I require a target.
Incompetent oafs! Gorgrind! Try not to damage those limbs whilst you tear them off! How vexing! Rotsview, get to work, and don't fail me like your predecessor!
I do not have a target.
Oh, now I have to rebuild those two from scratch! Let's see. I can't wait to put your corpse to you. I'll have you in stitches! I must preserve your parts for later. Imbecile! I'm the one who made you! No! That one was my favorite! My greatest was yet to come.
Bastion shall be laid to waste. The chill of death. None can escape the storm. I have had enough of you.
I need to target something first.
Victory against a fraction of our forces.